Warm welcome to all of you, all my dear students. Very good morning. Welcome, Vanakkam, Suswagatam. This is your Baba H.S.P. And today we are here to solve questions of chemical kinetics chapter wise in the sequence order. Number of questions, I will give 1 minute for each question, and we will see the answer, first your answer, and then I will let you know what should be the correct answer, right? So warm welcome to Jai Jagannath. Shall we sing Unboxing Brothers? And do let me know that am I audible and visible to all of you? If yes, and let me start the game. If yes, do let me know. Quick. Wow, Kingsman. Wow, that's so nice of you, Kingsman. You always most dedicated. So, my dear students, am I perfectly audible and visible to all of you? Yesterday, I made one video in Hindi. How was it? I have got number of views, number of comments that yes, we need in English as well. So, everyone, okay. So, are you ready? Very good, Kingsman. Jai Jagannath. So, on your screen, this is question number 1. I hope that it's very much visible to all of you. Question number 1. Start doing it and try to answer this question in the chat. 1, 2, 3, or 4. What should be the correct answer? Chapter wise. I have told you I will move now chapter wise. So Baba started moving chapter wise. On your screen, this is question number 1. Sir, question 1 में a की power. Okay, let me write down. A की power है. Okay. Yeah, that's not clear. So let me write down. The power of A is, my team, are you there? Can you let us know in question number 1 what is the power of A? Let me tell you. Just wait. Huh? 1. A raised to power 1. It is 1, kids. The power of A is 1. So let me write down over here. R is equal to K A raised to power 1 and B raised to power 2. This is now clear. Clear? I have written. Jagannath is going for C. See, I have written over here clearly. Now check it out. R is equal to K A raised to power 1 and B raised to power. It's 1 by 2. What 1 by 2? Oh, please check the power. It's 1 by 2 or 1. Let me check. Wait, kids. Wait, let me check it out. Let me check it out. Just wait for a second. Just wait for a second, kids. Give me a sec. So kids, just a second kids. What's your answer kids? Okay, let's take power 2v1 and then try to find out the answer. Let's keep the power 2v1. Okay, let's keep power 2v1 and then try to find out the answer. What should be the answer? Let us keep it power 1 and then try to find out. Okay, now let me solve this question kids. For a reaction, initial concentration of A and B are increased by a factor 4 and 2 respectively. Now see kids how to solve it. If I say in the starting it is R1 K, and if I keep 1 raised to power 1 and 1 raised to power 2, it will come out like this, and R2 is equal to, if I say we are increasing the concentration, so R2 will come out K. Now the initial concentration increased by factor of 4 raised to power 1 and 2 raised to power 2. So upper side K and K will cancel out, R2 upon R1 will be equal to 4 raised to power 1, 4, 2 2s are 4, 16 by 1, 16 by 1, so answer will be 4, none of these. 16 times the rate will increase, the rate will get increased by 16 times. Is it clear to all of you? Yeah, 16 times is the correct answer. How many of you have got the correct answer? How many of you have got the correct answer? Kids, do let me know. Now, second question on your screen. I hope this question is clearly visible to all of you. Second question, just see to it, everyone. Now see the second question on your screen. Try to do it and do let me know what should be the correct answer, kids. Yes, kids. Do it. Quickly do it. 3. Maximum people are going for 3. 6.75. पक्का लॉक किया जाए. So let me check it out. For a reaction, the initial concentration is given as, by what factor the initial rate is given like this. By what factor the initial rate of reaction will increase if we increase the concentration of A is taken to be 1.5 times. Let me check it out. So R2 is equal to 1.5 raised to power 2 and B is tripled, so 3 to the power 1. So R1 is equal to 1 raised to power 2 and 1 raised to power 1. So if you divide it, K and K will cancel out. R2 by R1 will become 1.5 and 3. And this is, so can I write 1.5 into 1.5 into 3 divided by 1. So 1.5, 15 square. How much is 15 square? Do let me know, kids. What is the square of 15? 15 15s are. Arey bhai, no one in the chat tell me what is the square of 15. There is one trick to find out the square if last digit is 5. 225. Do you know that trick? 25 square. 25. 25 square will be 25 square will be, there is one trick to find out the square of any digit ending with 5. 25 square. Who is going to tell me? What is the square of 25? Let me check it out. How many do you know maths? Yeah, chat is slow, but do let me know. What is the square of 25? 625. 35. 35. What is the square of 35? 35. 35 square. Do you know this trick? Do you know this trick? Let me tell you this trick. Remember this trick, everyone. If I say square of 25, so 5 5s are 25 and 2. Whatever the digit is written to, multiply, I'm telling you the trick, multiply that digit with its increased number, one increased number. That means 2 is written over here, so 2 3s are 6. So 625 will be the answer. If I say square of 35, so 5 5s are 25 and 3. What is next number of 3? 3 4s are 12. So 1225. If I say square of 45, so 5 5s are 25 and next number of 4. 4 5s are 20. So 2025. Got it the trick, everyone? Baba is genius in maths. Got it? Are you getting my point? If you know these tricks, you can do anything. How many of you got it? Shanti Mandal, okay. Now see kids, let me come back. So once you know the trick, your solution can become super easy. So you see 1.5 into 1.5. So I will write down 225 into 3 into 10 raised power minus 2. Now 225 threes are. Remember that 200 threes are 600 and 25 threes are 75. So 625 into 10 raised power minus 2. That will become, so 75. That was 75. 675 into 10 raised power minus 2. So it will become 6.75. Kids, genius. Your answer is absolutely correct. So these are the maths hacks. Once you know the calculation, you can do anything. So your maths calculation should be very easy. Now, let me check your maths calculation. Then I will come once again back to the question. Everyone, keep on doing half of. Just if I say half of 100, keep on doing 100 half of 100. Let's see up to where you can reach. 50 half, 25 half, 12.5 half, 6.25 half, 3.125 half. Tell me all the values. Let's see. Tell me the last value. Let's see how many of you can do that. Let me check it out. How is your maths? Everyone. So the answer will come out. Check yourself. 50, 25, 12.5, 6.25, 3.125, 1.5, 625. Check it out. Your maths should be very, very strong. Basic maths I'm talking about. If you really want to do something in your chemistry, in your physics, Your basic math should be very, very strong. Okay, thank you, Kingsman. Thank you, thank you. Got it, everyone? Everyone got it? Now, let me come back again to the question. Let's go back again to the same question. So, this is done. Now, see the third question on your screen. Question number 3, everyone. Question number 3 on your screen. One, some is going for 1, some is going for B. What is this, kids? Some are going for 1, some are going for B. I want to see only one type of answer. Quick, quick. Everyone, quick. Fast. So the correct answer is, Baba H.S.P is going to tell you the correct answer. Same. Second is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. How many of you want to know the solution? How many of you want to know the solution? Do let me know, kids. Let's see. Blur हो गया था. Okay. Now let's see. The rate of reaction between two reactant A and B decreases by a factor of 4 if the concentration of reactant B and this, okay, they have changed the type. Now see, the rate of reaction between two reactant A and B. So can I write R is equal to K concentration of A raised to power something X and B raised to power something Y. Now in the starting I can say R1 is equal to K 1 to the power X and 1 to the power Y. Now what they are saying, the rate of reaction between this A and B decreases by a factor of 4. That means R1 and R2. R2 upon R1, if I write, it will come 4, right? If the concentration of reactant B is doubled, A and B, between two reactant A and B decreases by a factor 4. If the concentration of reactant B is doubled, the order of this reaction with respect to reactant B is. Now kids, have you seen the question? Is there something required in the question? क्या आपको क्वेश्चन ठीक से समझ में आया गया या समथिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड इन द क्वेश्चन? डू लेट मी नो. कोई इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए? The rate of reaction between two reactants A and B decreases by a factor of 4 if the concentration of reactant B is doubled. But they should have mentioned over here that A is remaining constant. That is missing. In the question, they should have written A remaining constant. Am I right? Because the overall order of reaction for a reaction can never be negative. It can be negative with respect to any one of the entity or two entities, but overall order of reaction can never be negative. Are you getting my point? So with respect to, it is -2. I hope everyone got it. Now another question. Wow, such a lengthy question. Will you try it out? It's very lengthy. Will you try? Fourth question is looking very lengthy. A is automatically constant. Yes, Jagannath. Yes. Now, Fourth question is looking scary. The length of the question never see. If the length is more, question will be easy, right? Try it out. Let's see how many of you can do this question. Shall we sing Snoopy, Jai Jagannath? Very good. I am not going to teach you kids. मैं नहीं पढ़ा रहा, मैं अपने घर जा रहा. I am going back to my home. Kids, how you are doing that speedily? इतनी fast कैसे कर रहे हो? Fantastic, fantastic. Now see what they're saying. When the concentration of B was doubled, the rate of reaction got doubled. That means it is directly proportional to B. That means rate is directly proportional to the concentration of B raised to power 1. That the rate of reaction doubled when concentration of both A and B doubled. A, it is irrespective of A. A, bhaiya, you are not going to decide the rate, because when your concentration got doubled, there was no change in the rate. So it is not dependent on you. Now, and quadruple when the concentration of B and C doubled. Oh ho! So rate is directly proportional to the concentration of C also. So I can write R is equal to K, A raised to power 0, B raised to power 1, and C raised to power 1. So 1 plus 1, overall order of reaction has come 2. It was looking very tough, but see, I've told you whenever the question length is more. Baba, how you got the name? Which name? Baba, I will let you know. I will let you know, but right now let's do the questions, okay? Quick. Have you got it? Have you understood, everyone? Once you got it, at least show the green hearts. Hey Baba, once you got it, don't forget to show me green hearts. Now question number 5. That's on your screen. Question number 5. Look at it. Question number 5, everyone. Let's see how many of you can do it. Eleven, Jagannath, Snoopy, your answer is absolutely correct. Third. Now let's see those who are not able to understand. Let me tell you how to write down the rate. Rate can be written as a rate is equal to with respect to ammonia. So see, the stoichiometry coefficient is 2. The stoichiometry coefficient will come down and it is the product. So product will positive. So R is equal to 1 by 2, and they said the rate of appearance of ammonia is this. So the rate of reaction will be 1 by 2 of ammonia's concentration. So my dear students, that is the rate of reaction. So what they said, the rate of appearance of ammonia is this. So half of, just orally you can do it, half of 2.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. I have told you, you can write 25 divided by 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. What is the half of 25? Do let me know. Half of 25 is 12.5. 12.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 5, or 1.25 into 10 raised power minus 4, whatever is given. So in two options, so first can't be the answer, fourth can't be the answer. Now there are two options left, that is 2 and 3. Now how to define that third is the correct answer? So the second part, and they are asking the rate of disappearance of hydrogen will be. Directly you can do the question. See how many of you want to do it in the air. How many of you want to do it in the air without writing? Without writing, how many of you want to do it in the air? Shall we sing? Batao. How many of you want to do it in the air? Tell me. Now see that there is one army, just understand, you can take, there is one army of hydrogen. When 3 moles of hydrogens are getting died, जब 3 मोल हाइड्रोजन के लोग मर जा रहे हैं, you can take it to be Avengers movie or any movie. जब 3 लोग, when 3 moles of hydrogens are getting dead, then 2 moles of ammonia are getting formed. 2 moles of ammonia are getting formed. Just try to understand. When 3 moles of hydrogen are getting dead, then 2 moles of ammonia are getting formed. What is the difference? I think it's a difference of that decomposition of hydrogen is more and the formation of ammonia is less. And how many times? The difference is 1.5 times, that is 3 by 2. That is 3 by 2. That is, or you can do one thing, don't do anything, first do it in the writing way and then you can do in the air. First you do like this, minus 1 by 3 of hydrogen, first try to understand, is equal to 1 by 2 of ammonia. Just see, first you try to understand like this, don't think in the air, otherwise you won't be able to understand. First do it like this, first you do it in written way. Okay, now what they are asking, rate of disappearance of hydrogen. So rate of disappearance of hydrogen will be, rate of disappearance, that is 3 by 2. Rate of disappearance of hydrogen will be 3 by 2 times that of ammonia. That I have told you orally. That I have told you orally, because the difference what of 1.5 times, 1.5 times of difference, 1.5 types of difference. So 1.5 types of difference. So what should be the 1.25 into 3 by 2? 1.25 into 3 by 2. How to do it, kids? How will you do it? The maths, simple maths. Now simple maths, you can do 2, 3, that is 1.5. Now 1.5 into 125, how much it is coming? Who can do it? 1.25. Okay, you directly do it. 125 into 15. If you can't do anything, 25 25 का 5 हाथ से लगी 2, 5 दूनी 10, 12 हाथ से लगी 1, 5 एकम 5, 6 और 125. 125. So I can write down 5, 7, 8, 1, 1, 8. Something wrong I have done, I think. 125. Where the mistake I have done, kids? What mistake is done by me, kids? Do let me know. Yes, everyone, just do let me know. What mistake is done by me? Okay, I have written wrong. The ammonia was 2.5. Ammonia was 2.5. So 2.5, this I have written wrong. It should be 2.5. The value was given 2.5, kids. 2.5. So I have taken wrong value. 2.5 into 3 by 2. Now do it. 2.5. Now do it, kids. It was not 1.5, it was 2.5. Now do it. So do it. How much it is coming? 2.5 into 3 by 2. Do it fast, kids. How many of you can do it? Do let me know. Are it's very simple. It's very simple. Just see what you are supposed to do. It will come out 1.5. If you can't do anything, 25 into 15. पचम 25 की 5, 2 5 दूनी 10 और 2 12 और 25. So it will come out 5 5 2 7 3.75. 3.75 multiplication. Got it? How many of you got it, kids? Do let me know. So it's solved. अब बताओ कितने लोग एयर में करना चाहते हो? उल्टा हो जाता है कभी कभी. कितने लोग एयर में करना चाहते हो इस क्वेश्चन को इन द एयर? वी टुक 5 minutes. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वांट टू डू द सेम क्वेश्चन, फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, ऑल द 2 parts इन द एयर? डू लेट मी नो just in second. Show me green hearts if you want to do the same question in the air within fraction of seconds. I will let you know in seconds. Do let me know in the chat. I want to see the green hearts, then I will let you know in the air. Now I will move slowly. I will move slowly and I am going to tell you how to come out from the fear of this calculation, because we are solving, we are taking too much time. But if you are solving it just with the confidence within fraction of seconds. Now see, just think one point. Let me tell you one point. See, my dear students, if I say there are 3 types of people, there was a fight, 1 mole of N2 and 3 moles of H2 are reacting. That means whose people are getting more. जब लड़ाई हो रही है, युद्ध हो रहा है, किसके लोग जल्दी मर रहे हैं, ज़्यादा मर रहे हैं, किसके मरने का अमाउंट ज़्यादा है, which party is getting dead more easily, more in amount? Tell me. The ratio is 1:3. When 1 mole of N2 is getting finished, 3 moles of H2 are getting finished and 2 moles of ammonia are getting formed, right? 2 moles of ammonia. Have you seen this picture? Can you tell me that whose rate of decomposition is least? Rate of decomposition of N2 is least. Then rate of decomposition of hydrogen is maximum. If I say 1 man of N2 is getting finished, then 3 moles of H2 will get finished and then only 2 moles of ammonia will get formed. First try to understand this. Don't see the balanced equation. Just try to understand. It will take time. But once you understood, you will really say, oh my God, I have got it. I have got it just in one question. I have got it. I am the winner of the match. How many of you want to get that feeling? Kids, do let me know. How many of you want to get that feeling? Now see. Now from this picture, we can say that how to balance them. How to balance them. So one thing orally you can understand, that if I compare with N2, then when 1 mole of N2 is getting finished, 2 moles of ammonia are getting formed, 1:2. But when 3 moles of hydrogen are getting finished, just 2 moles of ammonia are getting formed. For 3, 2. So for 1 mole, if I say when 3 moles of H2 are getting finished, tell me orally, when 3 moles of H2 are getting finished, how many moles of ammonia are getting formed? 2. That means less, little bit less. Now if I say, you see, let me write down, just wait, let me write down, otherwise you can't. If I say when 3 moles of hydrogen are getting finished, 2 moles of ammonia are getting formed. So if I say when 1 mole of hydrogen is getting finished, then 2 by 3 moles of ammonia will get formed or not, because ammonia formation is less than hydrogen decomposition. Are you getting? This is unitary method. This is unitary method or not? Hey kids, this is unitary method or not? That means the people of hydrogen, when 1 mole of hydrogen will get decomposed, then do you think 1 mole of ammonia will get formed or less than 1 mole? You just tell me. When 1 mole of hydrogen will get decomposed, 1 mole of ammonia will get formed or less than 1 mole? 1 mole or less than 1 mole? Hey, 1 mole or less than 1 mole? Answer will be less than 1 mole. How much? 2 by 3. 2 by 3, right? Now, let's do this question orally. So, question was the rate of appearance of ammonia is this much. They have given that ammonia formation is like this. They have given ammonia formation is this. The rate of reaction will be. So how can you write? With any entity you can write down the rate of reaction. You will write whatever the appearance of ammonia, half of that, because the rate of reaction we have to consider like with respect to N2 only, because it's 1 mole only. So half of whatever the concentration. So 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 4. What is the half of 25? Tell me. 25 into 10 to the power minus 5. Half of 25 is 12.5. So 12.5 into 10 to the power minus 5, that is 1.25 into 10 to the power minus 4. Orally you have done it. Half of 25 into 10 to the power minus 4 is 12.5 into 10 to the power minus 5, or 1.25 into 10 to the power minus 4. Clear? This you have done orally. Now they are asking the rate of disappearance of hydrogen. The rate of disappearance of hydrogen, I have told you the rate of disappearance of hydrogen is 2 by 3 of ammonia. The rate of disappearance of hydrogen is equal to 2 by 3 the rate of appearance of ammonia. The rate of appearance of ammonia is 25 into 10 to the power minus 5. So 25 into 3 by 2, 25 3 just 75. 25 3 just 75, and 75 half is, what is the half of 75? 75 is 36.5. So 36.5 into 10 to the power minus 5, or 3.65 into 10 to the power minus 4. Orally. Anyone can tell me the half of 75 is. Even a kid of class 6 can tell me the half of 75, because half of 70 is 35 and 75 is what? Kids, tell me it's easy peasy lemon squeezy or not? 37.5. Yes, half of 75 is 37.5, or 3.75 into 10 to the power minus 4, or 37.5 into 10 to the power minus 5. Now, have you solved the 5 minutes question just in fraction of seconds? Only one question I have told you, but see the confidence level, kids. Tell me, I want to see your review in the chat section. How much you are liking it? How much have you liked it? Now, have you really got it or not? If yes, I would like to see in the chat section. Thank you, Unboxing Brothers. Thank you. Snoopy. Let me know in the chat section. Number of questions are there, Jai Jagannath. Hey, you are always asking the quantity. You are not appreciating Baba H.S.P. Shall we sing welcome? Now Now, really, if you have understood what I had taught you, you can do this question orally. That's why always try to do the questions orally, whatever the time it is going to take. Don't worry. Just see to it, everyone, and try to do it orally. Chemistry in the air. Don't take help of pen and copy. Harishudan, welcome, welcome. Good morning, good morning. I don't know class duration. At least it will take 90 minutes, 1.5 hours, right? Some are going for 1, some are going for 4. I don't know what should be the correct answer, kids. Just check it out. So the correct answer is 4th. Now, kids, how many have you done it in the air? How many of you have done it in the air? How many of you have done it in the air, kids? Let's see the confidence level got increased or not. Let's see the confidence level got increased or not. Okay, kids. Then also, how many of you really want to know the formula that by chance, sir, in the air, I am to always getting confused. I am going to do it slow, but please tell me one theory of it. Please, sir, please tell me the theory of it. Please, sir, please, sir. How many of you want to know that feeling? How many of you want to get that feeling that, please, sir, in the air I तो जनरली गेट confused. मैं कंफ्यूज हो जाता हूँ. कितने लोग चाहते हो that feel? Tell me, kids. Now see, kids, let me tell you. Let me tell you. Just see. If I write down MnO4, twice of MnO4, that means stoichiometric coefficient is 1 by 2 into the concentration of KMnO4 is equal to I2. In the balanced reaction, I2 is 5. So I will say 5 means 1 by 5 into concentration of I2, right? Can I write like this? Now if I do, so see, the theory is stoichiometric coefficient will come down. Stoichiometric coefficient will come down. Clear? Stoichiometric coefficient will come down, right? Right? Are you getting my point? Now, see, everyone. This 5, if I do the cross multiplication, its stoichiometry will become its n factor and its stoichiometry will become its n factor. You know that mole concept, the law of equivalence I taught you. The law of equivalence was n into n factor. If you remember, moles into n factor of one thing is equal to moles into n factor of another thing, law of chemical equivalence. that reducing agent is equal to oxidizing agent, or acid is equal to base. If you know the mole concept, you must have studied. Have you studied? Have you studied the law of chemical equivalence? This you have studied. Now same thing should I apply over here? Then you will be happy or not? Tell me. If the same law of chemical equivalence, if I apply over here, that moles into n factor, or concentration, here concentration into n factor, if I apply over here, just see, I am applying, see, just see everyone. I will say KMNO4's concentration into n factor is equal to I2 concentration into n factor. So you see, they have given about the rate of, in the following reaction, KMNO4, they have given about KMNO4. So KMNO4 is 4.56 and n factor, I2's stoichiometry coefficient is its n factor, and its coefficient is equal to its n factor. So its concentration value will be equal to, that will be equal to, the concentration of I2 will be equal to 4.56 into 5 divided by 2. Just you have to divide by 2. Just you are supposed to divide by 2. Right? And multiply by 5. So can I do one thing? Can I make it simple? The division to be simple. Can I make mathematics to be simple? What should I do? Because multiply by 5 and then divide by 2, it will take too much time. Will it take or not? It will take too much time. So what should I do? So let me do one thing, that what should I do? First, 2 2s and 56, 56 2 दूनी 4 और 1 2 अट्ठे, now into 5. So what should I do? 2.28 into 5 will become how much? It will become 8 पंच 40, 4 5 दूनी 10, 4 5 5 दूनी 10 14, 1 5 दूनी 10 11, 11 and how much points? 11.40, huh? Because there was 1 point, so here also 1 point, 11.40. So 11.40 or something else, kids, 11.40 or something else, just let me check it out. 4.56, so 0.2, 5.2 and 5, so 1. So you got the answer. See, 1140, and in point you can write 1.4, 1.14 into 10. So now, my dear student, two things are given. See, in first it is given 1.14 and there it is given 1.14. So there are quite chances of mistake. How to do that, kids? See, the first option is given 1.14 into 10 to the power minus 3. And second option is given 1.14 into 10 to the power minus 2. Very close. Oh, yo, Rangaswamy. Now what you will do, kids? Your multiplication hacks then to get disturbed. Now, my dear student, just see what should be the correct answer, kids. See, everyone, always whenever the point is there, always it's better that you can write like this: 4.56 into 10 raised to power minus 3. See, this, while solving it, we have forgotten to take it. Just see. So better to do, write this quantity 456 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Always you start from here. You are supposed to start from here. 456 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Can I write like this? Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? Because many people in a hurry, they will mark first option. Right now you are getting too much time. So 456 into 10 raised to power minus 5. So here I will write 456 456 and into 5 divided by 2 into 10 raised to power minus 5. This is my calculation. Just see the maths. Now you are supposed to calculate, divide to half of 456 is 228. 228 into 5 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Neat calculation. 228 5s are 1140. 1140 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Okay. Now, if I go how many digits? 3 digits back. 3 digits back, and if I put 1.140, then I will write 10 raised to power how much? 3 points have gone this side. 3 power will increase and it will be 10 raised to power 2. 10 raised to power 2 or 10 raised to power 3. Kids, do let me know. It's nice calculation. 10 raised to power minus 2. Got it? 100% clear maths, kids. Always move the decimal right hand side so that easy calculation, kids. Baba has solved it up to the last. Have you seen chemistry teachers solving up to the last? Quality over quantity, yes. Have you seen any teacher doing such basic maths also, kids? Have you ever seen? The nice visualization that how to solve the question. People are searching that how many questions we have done, but Baba is telling you just solve one question, but the nice way, the best way of solving questions should be there. How to solve the question, kids? Are you getting my point or not? Kids, do let me know really you are enjoying or not. That so many questions Baba has done, because this paper you will get. Thank you, Harni Singh. This paper you will get in the examination and you are supposed to solve it in this way. First of all, give me the idea that how much you are enjoying. Then only I am going to move towards another question, kids. And the law of equivalence. The law of equivalence which you apply in your mole concept, you can apply over here also. It's simply unitary method. No need to do anything, kids. Now, next question on your screen. Question number 7th. Just see the question number 7th, everyone. Quick, quick, quick. Very good, very good. Very good. Second is the correct answer. Now, how to do it? For the reaction SO3, SO2, half O2. Now, you can see once again, kitni teji se, how fast, you see how fast, who is getting decomposed maximum fast. So see, when 1 mole of SO3, just apply the same thing. When 1 mole of SO3 is getting decomposed, then 1 mole of SO2 is getting formed and half mole of O2 is getting formed. That the rate of decomposition of SO3 is equal to the rate of formation of SO2 and half of O2. K1 is equal to K2 and half of K1 is equal to K2. This will be half or twice of. How many of you are getting confused over here? That it should be half or twice. Half or twice. There we said half. Let's see the story. If I say the weight of Pandu is 1 kg, 1 kg. And if I say the weight of Alia is, the weight of Alia is half kg, right? Just try to understand. I will make you to go in class 1 level. Pandu's weight is 1 kg and Alia's weight is half kg, right? Okay, okay. Now, can you tell me whose weight is more? Pandu's weight is 1 kg and Alia's weight is half kg. Whose weight is more? Whose weight is more? Definitely Pandu's weight is more. Now, if I want to make their weight equal, just see, if I put one weight balance, if I put one weight balance, one side if I allow Pandu to sit and another side if I allow Alia to sit, then what will happen? Then what will happen? Then what will happen? Do let me know. The weight will go in the downside of Pandu or not? Because Pandu is heavier than, twice heavier than Alia. But I want that the weight balance should remain in equilibrium. If I want that the weight should remain in equilibrium, what I am supposed to do? What I am supposed to do? I will put 2 Alia on the right hand side. I am supposed to put 2 Alia on the right hand side, then only the weight will remain balanced or not. If I really want to make equilibrium, if I really want to put this equilibrium sign, then I have to allow 2 Alia on the right hand side. Am I right or not? Am I right or not? We will need 2 Alia. So that is, I will say, if Pandu is K1, then twice of Alia, then only we can put this equilibrium sign, because Alia, if somebody is less, then K1 was more, K2 was less. To make it equivalent to that, we have to multiply. If somewhere equal sign is added and we are multiplying that side, that means that thing is less in amount. Over here, I would like to say why we have multiplied by 2. That means this K2 is half of K1, less value. This is less value and this is more value. That's why the less value is required to multiply it by some factor so that they will become equal. So while putting equal sign, now you must be thinking of your class 6th algebra. How many of you are reminding class 6th, 7th algebra? My father's age is twice of my mother's age, was 3 times that of my sister's age, and this was the age of my father when this will be the age of my brother. How many of you are reminding that class 6th, 7th algebra? कितने लोगों को algebra याद आ रहा है? 6th, 7th का algebra बताओ मुझे. Now let's go back to the question, kids. अच्छा मुझे बताओ कितने लोगों को मजा आ रहा है? पहली बार पढ़ के मजा आ रहा है? Now see the same question. Let's come back to the same question. You see, now you can solve it just in fraction of seconds. Just see. Just see, just see, just see. See, SO3, your SO3 is same as SO2, but bichari oxygen is half of that. So how to make them equal? So oxy should be required to multiply by 2. Now it is in the air or not? How many of you are feeling this chemistry in the air now? Baba, you are not, people, you are not writing in the chat. At least show me some fire in the chat section. Consider for quality, not the quantity. My team, please provide me some water. Kids, do let me know. Really मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? Really you are enjoying a lot or not? How many of you are really getting the feel of chemical kinetics for the first time? Do let me know how many of you are really getting the feel. Thank you, kids. Thank you, kids. 11-11, enjoying or not? 11-11, it's really looking the best. Now, next question. Now, once again, you see to it. Question number 8 on your screen. Very good, very good. Very good. So the correct answer is B. Second, nothing to do that. Nothing to do over here. Why, kids? Because you see, this is the rate law expression, and rate law expression is determined experimentally. This rate law expression says its concentration is 1, and if you the rate of reaction. So definitely if you increase the concentration, if you make it double, it will become double. If you half it, it will become half. Double on doubling the concentration of NaOH irrespective, so it is wrong because the rate of reaction is not dependent on the concentration of NaOH, so this is wrong. Third one, decrease on increasing temperature. If you increase the temperature, then rate of reaction will also increase. Rate of reaction will also increase. So this is also wrong. Unaffected, if you increase the temperature, decrease the temperature, rate will increase or decrease. All are wrong. Only one option is correct. That is the second one, half on reducing the concentration to half, because it is directly proportional. If you double it, rate will double. If the concentration is half, rate will become half. Very, very simple question. So now let's move to another page. Question number 9th on your screen. This will take time, kids. So see to it. Question number 9th. It's simple question. I said it's looking lengthy. It's very simple. You can do it immediately. Simple question, simple. Within fraction of second in the air you can do it, kids. The trick Baba has told you. The trick Baba has told you, you can do this question within fraction of second. Correct answer is first. See why. See why. You see, this is the fight going on. This is the fight going on. When 2 moles of NO2 are getting finished, one kid is writing, really wish you make your contents in pure English, sir, but still much appreciated. Thank you. Only one video I made in English. Rest of all videos, they are in English only. Kids, only one video. But you see, yesterday I made one video in English, and its average view duration is maximum than that of English. Means English people, they have watched it for more time duration. Now, Its correct answer is A. C. When 2 moles of NO2 are getting finished, 2 moles of NO are getting formed, and O2 is half of NO2. If 2 moles of NO2 is getting decomposed, then only half mole of O2. When 2 moles, then not half of NO2 with respect. So 2 half is 1. 1 half will be half. Are you getting my point? Yes, Jai Jagannath, I don't know how in English videos reach is more. Now see, 2 moles of NO2, then 1 mole of O2. So whatever the moles of NO2 are decomposing, half of that will be O2. Are you getting my point? I will. But you have to call English people. जय जगन्नाथ, आपने बोला था कि इंग्लिश वाले बच्चे हमारे दोस्त हैं और you are not making video in English. You are making video in English only. So I made in English. So you have to share it to all English people, right? Now, are you getting my point? No need to write. Just see, when 2 moles of NO2 are getting decomposed, 1 mole of O2 is getting formed. The ratio is half of O2, means with respect to NO2. So it given 6. So the half of 6 will be 3. 3 into 10 is for minus 12. Are you getting my point? Easy, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now next question. Question number 10th. Question number 10th. Apply this formula. Apply this formula. Question number 10th. See to it, everyone. The rate of formation of SO2. SO2. SO2 or SO3? 10th. SO3. They are asking SO3, kids. This is, they are asking about SO3. This is your SO3, right? The rate of formation of SO3 is this. So SO2 will be, very good question, and simply you can solve it, kids. Fast, kids, fast. Quick. Fast, kids, fast. Let's see who is going to solve it. Immediately try to solve it, kids. Who will solve it, kids? Just see the question properly. See the question properly and try to do it. Now see, in this question, 2 moles of SO2. Now try to solve it, kids. You can do it immediately. What should be the answer, kids? There is 2 and there is also 2. So what should be the answer? What should be the answer, kids? Some are going for 2, some are going for 1. What should be the correct answer, kids? Now, this question you have to find out, and this I am giving for your homework, because 2 type of parties are there. Some are going for 1 and some are going for 2. See the language of the question. Everyone, see the language, read it out. Otherwise, I will give it for homework. Now, should I tell you? Should I tell you? Jai Jagannath. because it's asking SO2 reacts means yes. Yes, Jagannath, you got it. How many of you got it? What Jai Jagannath is writing? What Jai Jagannath has written? Try to understand the language, what the language they have written. Rate of formation of SO3, that means rate of reaction they have given. Rate of reaction they have given, that rate of reaction of SO3 will be what? So can I write the rate of reaction of SO3, rate with respect to SO3, can I write 1 by 2 the concentration of SO3, and that is they have given 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Can I write like this? So the formation of SO3 is equal to 16. Can I write 16 into 10 raised to power minus 4? 16 to the 32 into 10 raised to power minus 4, or 3.2. 3.2. Can I write 3.2 into 10 raised to power minus 3? Can I write like this? Can I write like this? Shalvi Singh, your answer is correct. Only Shalvi Singh has given the correct answer. Now see, now what they are asking, this is the formation of SO3. Now we can see whatever you see, that formation of SO3 is like that. Now hence the rate at which SO2 reacts, the rate, once again the rate they are asking. So I have to write down the rate of reaction. Now what I am supposed to do? What I'm supposed to do, kids? What I'm supposed to do? Do let me know now you got it or not. Yeah, Jai Jagannath has also gone for. Now tell me, Jai Jagannath and Shalvi Singh, now what we are supposed to do? How to do this question? At last, you can watch my number of recorded lectures. Now tell me what we are supposed to do, how to get it. Now what should I do? Everyone got it? Everyone, is it clear? Now, clear or not? Just to let me know. Now, is it clear or not? Is it clear or not? Mass means mass. Yes, right, you got it. Clear to all of you. Have you got it? Everyone, is it clear? Now they have given kg per minute. So see, to find out rate, if we directly do it, we will get trapped. How many of you got trapped, kids? If directly you are going to do it, you will get trapped, because concentration, see, whenever mass is given, remember that whenever mass is given in chemistry, mass is useless. So what we are supposed to do? Divide mass by gram molar mass. We will get moles. Now in chemical kinetics, even moles are useless. What we are supposed to do? Concentration. So moles divided by volume. Now just like density is equal to mass upon volume, here moles per volume, we will get concentration. So concentration, we are given with mass. First mass should be converted into concentration, and then concentration should be converted into mass. In this question they have given, see, mass they have given. So what we are supposed to do? Mass change to concentration, and finally change to mass. then your answer will be there. Is it clear, kids? How many of you understood? कितने लोगों को समझ में आ गया? Because chemical kinetics deals with the concentration. Mass is useless. And if you see the unit, in the unit they have given moles per liter or kg they have given. They have given kg. So the concept we have applied is okay, but then also we are getting failed because they have given kg, and kg per minute doesn't mean anything. So we know that the rate is always defined as concentration per unit time. Concentration means moles per volume, and moles means weight upon gram molar mass. Got it, kids? So it's a lengthy one. Now you can calculate. Everyone, is it clear or not? Is it clear or not? So everyone, only 2 people got passed, rest of everyone got failed for this question. Where you people got failed, the place was that this kg. So remember, the unit was given kg, that mass was given. You are supposed to convert into gram, then divided by gram molar mass, then you can do it. Clear? Now next question. Question number 11, just see to it. Everyone, question number 11. See question number 11. Where it is gone? It's over here. You see, question number 11, quick. Very good. It's simple, very simple, kids. You can do just within fraction of seconds. So the answer is first. Why the answer is first? They have given the concentration. We know that concentration per unit time is known as rate. What is rate? Concentration per unit time, and the concentration they have given, you have to divide it by 10 only. That is the rate. Got it? Everyone, how was the question? It was looking like very tough, but you can solve it just in fraction of seconds. You were supposed to divide it by 10. Nothing else, right? Nothing else. Got it? Now, next question. Question number 13th, because 12 will be a little bit on both the sides. So let's come to question number 13th. I hope it is visible to all of you. Question number 13th. Just see to it. Everyone just see to it. Question number 13th. Quick. I'm moving fast. This is very simple question. Rate constant of two reactions, just see to it. Rate constant of two reactions are given below. Identify their order of reaction. This is like this and this is like this. Two reactions are given. Just see to it. Wow, kids, you are rocking. How you have done it? Exactly, this is the correct answer. So remember that. Let me tell you short trick. Moles per liter 1 minus n time inverse. This is the trick for any rate. This is the trick. Moles per liter 1 minus n time inverse. So if you apply this, you see in the first one it's becoming liter. So how it can become liter? That it should be 2 minus 1 or 1 minus 1 or 1 minus 2. If I do 1 minus 2 moles per liter, it's moles per liter. See, moles per liter minus 1 is there, right? Yeah, this minus 1 was missing. So let me write down once again moles per liter. Now can you check? Is it visible to all of you? Moles per liter 1 minus n second inverse. Now is it now is it okay, kids? Moles per liter 1 minus n. Now liter is becoming 1, that means 1 minus 2, minus 2, then minus 2. So 1 minus 0. So 1 minus 0 also not possible. So what should I say? Namaskar. What should I say? If I do mole, see, mole is becoming minus 1 in the second one, mole liter, this is becoming. So what you are supposed to do, kids? How will you do it out? How will you make it out possible? So just see, if I put here 2, so it will become mole per liter. Now 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, so definitely minus 1, so it will become minus 1, and niche bhi it will become minus 1, am I right? And time inverse, so time inverse will remain time inverse. Now if I will say liter will come up, it will become plus, and mole was plus, so it's, I have written wrong, it is plus, it will become minus, so liter has become plus, mole has become minus, and time inverse, so it is second. Now if I tell you for first order reaction, so mole per liter 1 minus 1 time inverse, so 1 minus 1 will become 0, and anything power is 0, that is what? That will become 1, so only time inverse will be there, so only second inverse is there. Can you get it, kids? Otherwise people, they know what are the units and they can do within fraction of seconds. They can do fraction of seconds. They can do this question within fraction of seconds. Got it, kids? I hope everyone got it. If yes, show me green signal. Quick. If everyone got it, show me green signal, kids. Fast. Hurry up. Now next question on your screen. 14th one. 14th question. Quick. Do it. Let's see who is going to make it possible easily. Who is going to do it easily, kids? Shall we sing? Garima Sharma, welcome. Third is the correct answer. Let's see how you have done it. Very good. For a reaction, X gives Y. The rate of reaction becomes 27 times when the concentration of X is increased 3 times. My dear students, if the power is 1, if the power is 0, the rate of reaction will not change. If the power is 1, and if you are increasing the concentration 3 times, if you are increasing the concentration 3 times, then the rate will become 3 times. If the power is 2, if I put the power 2 and increase the concentration 3 times, then the rate will become square of 3. 3 3 is 9 times. It will become 9 times. Am I right? Now if the power is 3, if the power is 3, 3 3 is 9 and 9 3 is 27. Everyone, are you getting my point? If power is 0, then no effect of change in concentration is. Power is 1, order of reaction is 1, then the rate will become, if you are increasing the concentration 3 times, then the rate will become 3 times, but this is not the case. Now if the power would have been 2, then if you are increasing the concentration 3 times, the power 2, 3, 3 and 9 times rate will become. No, that is also not the case. They are saying 27 times. So if the power is 3, that means order of reaction is 3. Then if you are increasing the concentration 3 times, then 3 3s are 3 3s are 3 3s are 9 and 3. That means 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27. You got it, everyone? Got it? Got it? Now those who are not able to understand, let me tell you in another way. Let me solve it in another way. See, if I say R1, if I keep K 1 to the power 3, R2 K 3 to the power 3. Now apply maths. R2 upon R1, K cancel out, 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27 upon 1. So this is the case. This is possible only when the power is 3, otherwise it's not possible. In both the two ways I've told you, right? Now another question on your screen. Just see to it. 15th question. Question number 15. Quick, quick, kids, quick. Speedily do it. Speedily. So 15th question, just see. In the reaction A plus 2B gives 6C and 2D if the initial rate is this, d over dt at t is equal to 0. When time t is equal to 0, then they are saying the rate is this. What will be the value of with rate change in concentration B at time t is equal to 0? Everyone just do let me know. So you see, when 1 mole of A is getting decomposed, as I have told you, the simple way, when 1 mole of A is getting decomposed, twice of B is getting formed. That the rate of change of concentration of B is 2 times that of A. So when I say A is 1, B is 2, A is 2, B is 4, A is 4, B is 8, A is 10, B is 20. When A is 2.6 into 10 to the power minus 2, so B will be, you can write 26. A is 26 into 10 to the power minus 3, then B will be double of 26, 52 into 10 to the power minus 3. Am I right? Simple question. 52 into 10 to the power minus 3, you can write 52 into 10 to the power minus 3 or 5.2 into 10 to the power minus 2. Am I right, kids? Are you getting my point? Once you are getting answer, show me green hearts, green signal immediately, kids. This is solved. Double. Don't write anything, just in the air. When A is 1, B is 2. When A is 2, B is 4. When A is 5, B is 10. When A is 25, B is 50. When A is 26, B is 52. That's. Padmanabh, welcome. Now another question on your screen. Question number 16th. Everyone see question number 16th on your screen. Try to do it. Quick. Question number 20. Question number 16th. Now let's see. For a reaction, twice of NO2 plus Cl2 gives twice of NaCl. When 2, when 1, when 2. Okay. So just see to it. Everyone see to it. When the concentration of Cl2 is doubled, the rate of reaction becomes 2 times. So with respect to Cl2, can I say it's directly proportional? R is directly proportional. When the concentration of NO is doubled, the rate becomes 4 times. 4 times double, that means R is equal to, with respect to NO, is twice. Can I say the rate of, what is the order of reaction? So my dear students, can you see what should be the answer of? Answer will be C. Third, with respect to Cl1, with respect to NO2, 1 plus 2, that is coming out 3. Once answer is clear, always show me green signal. If not clear, show me fire, so that I can understand. I have to tell you once again, have you seen that these questions looking very scary, looking very big, but they are very simple once you know, understand. And those who are new, please join the Telegram. Okay, I will keep on sharing the expected questions, this time the real expected questions. Now Question number 17. Question number 17. Just see. 17th answer. A reaction in which reactant R is converting into product follows second order kinetics. Okay. If second order kinetics R is converting into product, so can I write R is equal to K, and with respect to reactant the power is 3. This is the law of mass action and law, it's experimentally determined. Okay. Now if the concentration of R is increased 4 times, 4 times, then 4 into 4, what should I say? Oh, this I have written wrong. They are saying second order kinetics, so I have written third order kinetics 2 times. So can I write R1 is equal to K, and the initial concentration is 1 raised to power 2, and if I say R2 is equal to K and the concentration 4 times, so 4 raised to power 2, so R2 divided by R1 is equal to 16 upon 1, so 16 times. Third is the correct answer. Third is the correct answer. You could have done it orally. It's very simple question. I think everyone got it. Got it or not? Do let me know. Is it clear or not? You could have done it orally. You could have done it. Now next question on your screen. Question number 18th. Just see to it. Do it. Quick. I want to see the reply quickly. 18th. Now what they are writing? For a chemical reaction A to B, the rate of reaction is this. Okay, rate they have given. When the initial concentration is this, rate of the same reaction is this. Ayyo, Ranga Swami, how to do it? How to do it? Just see what they are saying. For a chemical reaction, the rate of reaction is this when the initial concentration is this. This is the initial concentration and this is the rate. Rate of the same reaction is this when the initial concentration is this, the order of reaction. How to do it? It's very good. You have got it, but how to do it? That's a tough question. I don't know how to do it. Your answer is absolutely correct. It's second is the correct answer. But how you have done it? Those who not able to understand, tell me how to do it. It's looking scary, lengthy. Now see kids. They are asking the order of reaction. What they are saying? A is converting into B. The rate of the reaction is this much, 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 when the initial concentration is 0.05. And the rate of the same reaction is this much when the initial concentration is 0.1. That means what they did, initial 0.05 and now 0.1. Can you tell me what is the relation between 0.5? So can you say, can I write 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 2? Can I write like this? And 0.1, can I write 10 into 10 raised to the power minus 2? Am I right or wrong? Both the powers I have written correctly. Now, can I say what's the relation in between 5 and 10? Even a class 6 student can tell me the relation between 5 and 10. 5 and 10, what's the relation? Even a class 10th student, 6th student can tell me that 10 is double of 5. 10 is double of 5. Am I right? Now, the concentration they have doubled and they are talking about the rate. For example, the rate of reaction when the initial concentration of this, the rate of same reaction is, now say for a chemical reaction the rate of reaction is this, 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 and now 16. Now see, can I write upper one 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. Now lower one 16 into 10 to the power minus 3. Can I write like this? Am I right? 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 and 16 into 10 to the power minus 3. 2 and 16, what's the rate? How many times the rate got increased? 8 times. 8 times rate got increased. 8 times. When the concentration is doubled, when the concentration is doubled, rate increase 8 times. Now, how to write down? R2 upon R1, let me write down over there. How to do it in the examination by chance if you have forgotten everything. R2 upon R1 is equal to 8 upon 1. Okay. Now, the rate is like this. Now, how to get it, kids? How to get the answer? Mantasha, welcome. How to get the answer? Now, see, kids, what I should say, how to get the power. 8 times it is, 8 times it is getting increased. Now, if I keep the power 1, then directly it is proportional. If I increase the concentration twice, the rate will become twice. If I make power 2, then if I increase the concentration twice, the rate will become 4 times. Now, if I keep the power 3, then if I increase the concentration by twice, the rate will increase 8 times, because 2 power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2. So 8 times, that is power is 3. How many of you got it? You got late. Yes, Mantasha, Mansha, you got late. Power is 3. How many of you got it, kids? Now, simple maths you should know that concentration, you have to check out concentration, and this, the rate, you have to check out rate. Simple maths you have to apply. Have you got it, kids? Everyone. Kids, tell me, how many of you got it? Is it clear to all of you? Garma Sharma, welcome, welcome. Those who got it, show me green signal. Quickly do let me know. Show me green signal if you got it. Quick, kids, quick. Now, on your screen, another question. Question number 19. See to it. 19th. Fast, kids, fast. Now see, the rate equation for this is equal to this. Power is 1 with respect to this. This is experimentally determined. The correct statement in the reaction to this, the rate of formation is C, is twice the rate of division. Wrong, absolutely wrong. C, this is twice, this is C. C is half of A. C is half of A. Wrong. Half life is constant. Now, half life, how half life is constant? The order is 2. Half life is constant. How it can be constant when the order is 2? Unit of K must be second inverse. The unit of K, how it can be second inverse? I have told you the unit of K second inverse is for first order reaction, because I have given you moles per liter 1 minus n second inverse. This can come when if you keep here in place of n1, so this will vanish. So this is also wrong. Value of K is independent of the initial concentration, because value of K never depends on the initial concentration, because K tells you how speedily the reaction is taking place. How speedily. Speed does not depend on the concentration, right? So, fourth is the correct answer. I hope got it. 19th, 20th. Question number 20. Everyone see to it. Question number 20. Tell me the answer of question number 20. Quick. Fast, kids, fast. The rate expression for the reaction, this is law of rate law expression. This is a rate law expression experimentally determined. Now, what's the answer? Wow, kids, you are Jai Jagannath, Garima, you are so fast. 11, very good. Second is the correct answer. Now, what they are writing? What change? What change in the initial concentration of A and B will cause the rate of reaction increase by a factor of 8? So, factor of 8 means if we double the concentration of both, doubling 2 to the 4 and there it will decrease. No. So, what should I do? If I double the concentration of C, the rate will become 4 times and they are saying by 8, 4 times, and this to be 4 times 4 by 2. So 4 to the 8. So second is the correct answer. Now my dear students, how many of you want to do it in another manner that you don't know? You don't know the how to do it orally. How many of you want to do it by writing? Because this question maximum people they are going to get failed. They will not be able to do it orally. So let me tell you how to do it by writing. Just see. Let me write down R2 by R1 and they are saying rate. See R2 by R1, R2K, this is also K because K will remain constant. Now what they are saying that R2, we don't know how much the concentration we should keep. What the concentration we should apply, we don't know. So what you are supposed to do, hit and trial, hit and trial. So if you write the concentration of A to be 2 times, you write down 2 to the power 2 and this is 4 times. So 4 to the power 1 by 2, hit and trial, and this 1 raised to the power 2 and 1 raised to the power 1 by 2. So you see, if you do this, K will cancel out and that R2 upon R1 will come out 2 to the 4 and 4 to the power 1 by 2, 2. So 2 upon 1. So R2 is 8 times that of R1. You got it. Answer, you got it. This way you can do it. Now question number 21 on your screen. Quick. 21. Total 50 questions we will do. How many questions kids? 50, it's 1. So 25, okay, 25. 50 will be too much. Tomorrow we will do or next day we will do, right? 25 questions will be okay for today. Or how many questions would you like to do? Kids, do let me know. 25 or 50? Tell me first the public. Public, everyone, just do let me know. 50 or 20? Sorry, 25 or 50? I think 25 is good. 25, okay? Or 50 you want to do? Tell me everyone in the public. 50, 11 is asking for 50. Rest of others do let me know. 50 or 25? 50 or 25? 50. Garima Sharma is also going for 50. Ayyo, Ranga Swami. Kingsman for 25. Rest of others going for 50. So Kingsman, you also 50? 50, everyone 50. So we will do 50, but increase the speed. Increase the speed. Fast, quick, kids, quick. 21st. In the reaction A2B3 gas, oh yeah, yo, gas. The pressure changes from 60 torr to 75. Oh ho. In 2.5 minutes. The rate of disappearance of, oh yeah, yo, what to do, kids? Looking very tough. How to do it? Who will answer this question? Kareens, welcome. Jai Jagannath is going for 3. Third is the correct answer. But how to do it, kids. It's not that easy. It's not that easy. How will you do it? Now see, when 1 mole is getting decomposed, 1 mole is getting formed and extra 1.5 mole is getting formed. Just see, orally I am telling you. Theoretically you can do it. When 1 mole of this is getting decomposed, in turn 1 is getting formed. So they are equal. Only extra 1.5 mole of B2 is getting formed. And they are saying that pressure changing from 60 to 75 in 2.5 minutes. Now kids, how to do it? Now you know the formula of this. K is equal to, apply the formula, because everywhere per minute given, that means it is following first order chemical kinetics. It is following first order chemical kinetics. So you have to apply the formula of first order of chemical kinetics time inverse. So it will come out, see, from pressure changing from 60 to 75, that means it is getting increased. It is getting increased. So apply that formula of pressure, you will get the answer. Got it? Everyone got it or not? Or orally, how many of you want to do it orally? Orally, how many of you want to do it? Orally, how many of you want to do it? Now see, let me tell you orally how to do it. That whatever the pressure was there, if I say 4 atmosphere got decreased, if I say 4 atmosphere of A2B3, yeah, orally only you can do it so fast. If I say 4 atmosphere got decreased, when it's A2B3's 4 mole is getting, 4 atmospheric pressure is getting decreased. So 4 atmospheric pressure of A2 will get formed. So this 4 cancelled out, but there 3 by 2. Then that means how much? How much of B2 will get formed? 3 by 2, that means 1.5 गुना. 1.5 गुना कितना हो गया बच्चा लोग? 1.5 गुना कितना हो गया? 1.5 गुना हो गया 4 का 6 हो गया. कितना हो गया? 6 हो गया. Now, but they are saying no. They are saying, see, 60 taught to 75. It was 60, now it has become 75. How much it got increased? It got, I'm explaining. It got increased by 15 torr. 15 torr. 15 torr. 15 torr in what time? 50, the rate of disappearance of A2B3, 15 in 2.5 times. 15 in 2.5 times. Can I write 15 upon 2.5 multiplied by 2 in the numerator and multiply by 2 in the denominator? 30 upon 5. This rate is right or wrong? This rate is right or wrong? The pressure change in 2 point, the rate of disappearance of A2B3 will be how much? Tell me kids, how much it will be? Everyone do let me know how much it will be. Or you can do it orally. It's very simple. Just check it out kids. 21st question. Everyone just check it out. Equation method also you can apply. You can apply whatever law of chemical equivalence I have told you in the morning. NNF factor you can apply, or equation method you can apply. Whatever the way you want to do, you can do it. Tell me kids, first of all you try it out, then Baba will let you know. Yes, everyone. Quick kids, fast. One Jai Jagannath is saying use equilibrium method, equation method of equilibrium. Rest of other students, do let me know. There are a number of ways by which you can solve this question. There are a number of ways. N number of ways are there by which you can solve this question. Fast kids, fast, do let me know. Done, done, done kids. Everyone, you got it? Let me tell you orally. Let me tell you orally without any equation. Just see. What I have written at that time, I have written that differences of 60 to 75 is 15 in how many minutes? In 2.5 minutes, right? 15 in 2.5 minutes. Are you getting my point? 15 in 2.5 minutes. So what is this? How much it is? 2 into 2, that is 6, 30 upon 5, 6. That means 6 per minute. Okay, now 6 per minute, if I take with 4, it will be 4, and it will be 4 into 3 by 2. Can you see 4 decrease 4 formed, so they will cancel out, and 4 into 3 by 2 is 12 by 2 is 6. So it is increasing 6. If we take 4, then it will become 6 times. So that is the pressure of due to B2. Everyone got it? So orally you can solve it, because A2B3 is getting decomposed. When 1 mole of A2B3 is getting decomposed, 1 mole of A2 is getting formed. A2 and A2B3 will cancel out their pressure. Only the increase in pressure is due to B2, and B2 is 1.5 times that of A2. So if we take 4 moles, then there will be the change in 6 per minute. Got it, kids? Everyone got it or not? Everyone, is it clear? It's very simple fundamental thing. Now next question. If that is clear, then only come to the next question. If not clear, you can ask me, kids. 20-second. Very good, very good. Now 20 seconds. Congratulations. 20-second. 20-second. For the first order reaction, it takes 5 minutes for the initial concentration of this to become this. How long will it take for the initial concentration to become 0.3? Yes, very good question. It takes 5 minutes from 0.6 to 0.4. Now tell me, shall we sing? नहीं आया? चलो मैं बताता हूँ. शाल वी सिंह देखो, पहले क्वेश्चन का आंसर देखना, सब लोग देखना जरा. मैं बताता हूँ फिर से. जस्ट वेट. See, how much pressure increase is there? Shall we sing how much pressure increase is there? 60 to 75. How much? How much increase? 15 torr. 15 torr in how many minutes? In 2.5 minutes. Divide it. Divide it, you will get 2.5. How many times it will become 15? Divide it. 15 upon 2.5. So we don't know. So multiply upside by 2, divide by 2. So it will become 30 upon 5. Now it's easy. 5 6 are 30. Now 6 torr, it has become 6 torr per minute. This much increase, you are getting 6 torr per minute. Are you getting my point? Shall we sing? 6 torr per minute. Now, if I take the initial concentration of A2B3, anything I can take. Out of that 4 torr is getting decreased, pressure of 4 torr is getting decreased, whatever the concern, whatever the atmospheric pressure is there, doesn't matter, 4 torr is getting decreased. Now 1 mole of A2B3 is getting decreased. At the same time 1 mole of A2 is getting increased. If 4 torr is getting decreased, then at the same time 4 torr is getting increased. So decrease and increase cancelled out. This decrease and this increase so cancelled out. But at the same time, this 3 by 2 mole of B2 is getting formed. 3 by 2 of B2. So 4. So what I'm supposed to do? 3 by 2 of 4. How much it is coming? It is coming 12 by 2. That is 6. So I got the answer now by hit and trial. That the same rate I got if I keep decrease of A2B3 by 4 torr, and the same rate was there, you see, 6 torr per minute. See, without any equation, without applying any formula, I've got the answer by common sense. How many of you got it? This is logic. That's why Baba H.S.P is giving the logics, that simple logic. Don't use any formula, don't use anything. You will get the answer. Have you got it, kids? How many of you got it? I haven't used any formula. Just chemistry in the air Baba is solving. That 4 torr is getting decreased, 4 torr is getting increased, decrease and increase cancelled out. Only this is increasing, and that simple thing. How many of you are liking, really liking the feel chemistry in the air? Now next question, just see. Shall we sing? Have you got it? Shall we sing? Is it clear? Shall we sing? Is it clear now? Yeah, now see another question. 22. Now see how to do this 22 question and tell me the answer. What's the answer of it? 22. For a first order reaction, we know that first order reaction K is equal to 2.303 upon T log of A upon A minus X, initial concentration upon left concentration. This to everyone knows. This to everyone knows. Now how to apply it over here? So let's see, is there anyone who has solved it? Okay, now for a, it takes 5 minutes for the initial concentration of 0.06 to 0.4. Initial concentration for initial concentration, how long will it take? So first find out K. How to find out K? Is equal to 2.303 upon T, time 5 minutes, log of, can I say 6 upon 4? 6 upon 4 is how much? 6 upon 4. Can I divide it by 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, and but you don't know the log, so do one thing. If you don't know log 6 minus log 4, log 6 is how much, kids? Or you can do one thing, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, log 3 is 0.477 and log 2 is 0.3010. So if you subtract it, 7 में से 1 गया, 6 6 we have got, now 7 we have got, 4 minus 3 1.176 log of 3, log to we have taken 0.176, so 2.303 into 0.176 upon 5, this will be your value of K. This will be the value of K, right? You got it? This will be the value of K. Now what you are supposed to do? Keep that value of K over here. So now if you keep the value of A over here, now you know the K. So time you will get 2.303 upon K log of A upon A minus X. So A upon, for the initial concentration to become 0.3. How long will it take for the initial concentration to become 0.3? It means it was in the starting, it was 0.6 to 0.3, 0.6 to 0.3. So 0.6 to 0.3. Now you can find out. Now my dear students, it is becoming very lengthy calculation. How many of you want to do it immediately? How many of you want to do it immediately? Tell me, how many of you want to do it immediately? Then Baba will tell you how to do it in the air without applying formula. How many of you really want to do it immediately without applying formula? Tell me, kids. In the chat, write down, then Baba will let you know. Okay, now tell me, you know that? Okay, now see. They have written for a first order reaction, it takes 5 minutes to become from 0.6 to 0.4. What's the relation in between 0.6 and 0.4? Half of 0.6 will be 0.3. That means half-life has not taken place. Half-life nahi chala. Half-life nahi chala. Are you getting my point? If I would have said, or they would have said, from 0.6 to 0.3, it took 5 minutes, then I must said that 5 minutes is the T half. But from 0.6 to 0.4, 5 minutes is not T half. That means T half will be a little bit more than 5. Am I right? We know that for a first order reaction, the thing becomes half of its initial concentration in T half. Now, if they would have given the question that in 5 minutes from 0.6 to 0.3, then I would have said 5 minutes is the T half. But you know that they are saying from 0.6 to 0.4, that means 5 minutes is not the T half. T half should be more than 5, little bit more than 5. How many of you are getting this point? That for this reaction, T half will be a little bit more than that of, tell me, a little bit more than that of, it is close to, I don't know how much, I know only it will be a little bit more than 5, right? Little bit more than 5. Now what they are saying, how long will it take for the initial concentration to become 0.3? From 0.6 to 0.3, so they are talking about T half only. So it will be more than 5 but close to 5. More than 5 and close to 5, which value is there? More than 5 and close to 5, only which value is there? That is first value, or any other value is there? Tell me, more than 5 and close to 5. Tell me, kids. More than 5 and close to 5, only one value is there, and that is your answer, 8. Now tell me, how more? See, how more? Let me tell you how more. We know that for first order reaction, if I take 100 gram, if I start from 100 gram, for first order chemical kinetics, we all know very well, if I start with 100 gram, in 1 T half it will become how much? It will become 50 gram. If I say in 8 minutes, if I say its T half is 8 minutes, because it is becoming half, Now if I say from 0.6, it will become 0.3 in how many minutes? In 8 minutes. Now they are saying, Jai Jagannath, yes. Now see, they are saying 5 minutes it is taking 5 minutes to go from 0.6 to 0.4. 0.6 to 0.4 is not half. So that means zero point 0.6 to 0.4. 0.4 is not the half of 0.6. That means 5 minutes is not the t half, because t half, if the reaction is moving for more time, then it will reach to 0.3. So t half will be more than 5 but close to 5, little bit more than the 5 and close to 5. Are you getting my point? Which option is close to 5 and more than 5? That is only one option. Without solving, I've done this question. I have not done it. I've done it immediately without solving in the air. Kids, how is it? First of all, do let me know in the chat section. Baba has not used the formula. Baba has solved it in the air just using his IQ. Kids, do let me know. Baba has solved this question by using his IQ. Baba has not used the formula. Now, 50 क्वेश्चन नहीं करेंगे, हाँ टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, बट सी नेक्स्ट हम 30 क्वेश्चंस कर लेते हैं आज. 30 राइट, 30 क्वेश्चन. वी विल डू 30 क्वेश्चंस, 30 राइट. नाउ 23rd क्वेश्चन. 30, we will do 30 questions. Today we will do 30 questions, 30. Okay, kids, 25. Okay, done. 25, because it is going to take too much time, right? 25. Okay, 25. Today 25. Now answer of 23. Which of the following rate law has an overall order of 0.5 for the reaction involving XYZ? 0.5. So first one is 3, second one is 1.5, third one is 1.5 minus 1, 0.5, and this one is 2. So answer is third. Very clear, right? Third is the correct answer. Now question number 24th. Just see question number 24th. The radioisotope tritium has an half-life of 12.8 years. If the initial amount of tritium is 30, how many milligrams of it would remain after these many years? Baba re Baba. Yo. Baba re Baba. Who will solve it? Do it. Who is going to do it, kids? Yeah, correct answer 2. Now let's see, this question can be solved by 4 methods. 4 methods. What first method I would like to tell you, by a layman type, that we don't know the formula, and then how to do it. Okay. Now a radioactive isotope has half-life of this. If the initial concentration is 32, then how many milligrams, and it is 32 milligrams, then how many milligrams will remain after 49.2 years? So see, 12.3, it will become 16. After 12.3, it will become 8. After 12.3, it will become 4. After 12.3, it will become 2. After 12.3, it will become 1, but we have to stop over here. Now we don't know where we have to stop. Actually, we don't know the answer where we have to stop. So after 12.3, it will become 0.5 milligram. So see what they are saying, after 49.2 years. Yeah, I will come to that formula, Jai Jagannath. So 12.3, 12.3, how much? 40, sorry, 24.6, 24.6, 24.6, 49.2. That means these many are 49.2 years, and after this the answer will be 2 milligram. One is this answer, right? Got it? Now second way how to solve it, let me tell you. Second way to solve it is that they are writing from time is, they are taking the t half is this. If the initial amount of this is how many milligrams will remain after 49.2 years. So time they have given. So if I say that time is given, so we can use the formula k is equal to 2.303 upon t log of a upon, let me take a upon a minus x initial upon. So what they said, that how much is left, that we don't know. From where we have started, that they have given, yeah, 32 milligram, 32 milligrams. So this is 32, this to we know this is 32. So we can write 2 log 32, and we don't know how much is left. So now what they have given, time they have given, t half. Now see, t half relation they have given. So we know that t half is equal to 0.693 upon k. So in place of k we can write 0.6, 0.693, 2.303 upon t. So time they have given or not? Kids, time they have given or not? Yes, they have given. How many milligrams will remain? 49.2 years, 49.2 years, 49.2 years, 49.2 years, and k, t half. So k is equal to this, k is equal to 0.693 upon t half. I should write k is equal to 0.693 upon t half. So t half I have to write down over here 0.693 upon t half. T half is given how much? T half is given 12.3 years, 12.3 years. So see how much time it is going to take upon k. I have written 2.303, and time in how many years they are saying time. See kids, how much time it is going to take? 12.3 years, 12.3. T half is given. I have written over here, that is t half. I think I have written something wrong. Let's see the question. A t half is 12.3. So how many will remain? 49.2 years. After 49.2 years, 49.2 years log of 32 upon left part. See, this is the formula. If I use this formula, it's so scary, it's very lengthy kids. Are you getting my point? The same question, like a layman, I have solved just within fraction of seconds. Now it is going to take this much of time. Are you getting my point? So which method is easier? The one which we can understand clearly. The first method was easy or not, kids? Do let me know. It is going to take so much calculation. See, writing this, getting confused, what t half, what t in the examination, what will happen? Just see, kids. So logics are always better than solving. Logics, apply logic. Are you getting my point? Now one more method is there. One more method is there. Let me tell you. One more way is there how to solve the same question. See, you could have applied not that formula. You can apply, see, one more formula. See, what's that? That is t is equal to t half, t is equal to t half into n. One formula. And n is equal to n naught 1 by 2 raised power whole n. This also you use in modern physics or radiochemistry. Now see, initial amount they have given, initial amount is 32 milligrams. So I will keep here 32 into 1 by 2. N I don't know, so N I can calculate. I will tell you how to calculate. And this is the initial amount and N is the left amount. We can calculate left amount. See, time total they have given 49.2 years, 49.2, and T half they have given 12.3 years, 12.3. So N value we can calculate. So what value of N will come? N will come out 49.2 upon 12.3. How much it will come? 49.2 upon 12.3. Do you know any relation? Do you know maths? How is your maths? The value of N is equal to 49.2 upon 12.3. 12 एकम 12 दूनी 24, 12 36, 12 चौक 48. I am to thinking it will come 4. What's your answer is coming? 4. Now keep that 4 over here. Bring that 4 and keep left amount, that is N, is equal to N naught, that is 32 into 1 by 2 the power 4. Do let me know how much it is coming. How much it is coming? Let's see how much it will come. Left amount is equal to 32 1 by 2 to the power 4. 1 by 2 means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 16 into 1 by 16. How much? It's coming 2 milligram. This is another way you can apply this formula and you can solve it. See kids, got it? Everyone got it? This is another way. So I have told you 3 ways by which you can solve the same question. Got it kids? So which formula was best? The first, the second, or the third? First one, orally we have done like a layman. Second one, whole formula we have applied. Third one, this modern physics formula we have applied. Which formula did you really like the best? Now last question, last but not the least. Let's see. Last question for today. Last question. 24th. So this question, 31st question. First was really awesome. Question number 31. This will be the last question for today. Today's last question. Do let me know kids. I will share the PDF. I will share the PDF, right? Darshan Dhara, I will share the PDF, right? Jagannath is very fast. So let's see that if you see over here, it's 0.12 and here 0.12. A is constant and B is increased 2 times. The rate got increased 8 times. A constant, A remaining constant, B increased 2 times, the rate got increased 8 times. So what should be the power with respect to B? Definitely with respect to B, the power must be 3 times. 2 into 2 fourth to the 8. And now if I say that B remaining constant and C, this one and this one, B remaining constant and A got increased 2 times. A got increased 2 times. A increased 2 times. but rate remaining constant. Rate remaining constant, that means it is independent of concentration of A. That means R is not dependent on the concentration of A power 0. So only first is the correct answer. Everyone got it? This is all for today. All the best. Bye bye, kids. Take care. All my dear students, take care. All the best. Today, no homework question. Only do revision. That is your homework. Bye bye. Tata. Take care.